Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we are going to show you how to add a profile to your Chrome browser. So you can see here I'm on Chrome. I have a browser window open and I'm in a specific profile. You can see I have many profiles. So to add a new profile, you simply click on Profiles and you have the option to add a profile there, or you can also add it here from the top right. You click on the Add at the bottom. Okay, whichever works for you best. So let's add a profile, and immediately you have the option either to sign in into a specific Google account to link that Google account to that profile, or you can continue without an account. You can add an account later on, right? So I'll just continue without an account, and I'll call this Yam profile. We'll go with this color, and you can even choose an image. I'm more of a dog person, so let's go with the dog. And you click done, and there you go. Now you have a completely independent profile. I'm still in the Chrome browser, but now I have an independent profile for a specific account. So if I want to sign in into that account, I can just go into gmail.com and I can sign into that account. Or from the profile, when you click there, I can click on turn on sync, which again will prompt me to sign in into a specific Google account. And if you want to switch to other Google accounts, very easy. At the top, profiles, all the profiles are there, and here as well, all the other profiles are there. Okay, I hope this helps, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.